Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see a day to night conversion in Nuke with the help of projection and model builder. So here just I have created a project and just I have imported a images here. Okay, so this images we have to convert in a night scene. After this we will animate our camera, all these things. So first we have to just create a 3D setup with the help of model builder. I click on 3D, then camera, then again click on geometry and model builder. So now here just camera and just source in this original image. Okay, so here as a reference, now select model builder and just press 1 here. Now you can see now you are in just camera mode and here camera is locked. Now just double click on model builder here. So in these parameters, so in default just I am going to adjust a little bit row and column, mean this is our subdivisions. Okay, so here just I am going to just make it one by one. So this is sufficient for us. Now in left side you will see these are some shapes creator options. So just simply click and just click here. Now here you can see add card in progress. Now just simply click. Now after that just we have to adjust this card according to just this plane or just this perspective. Just simply select and just move and adjust. So just I am going to take this as a reference. Okay, so just roughly any just reference you have to take for creating just a perspective. Okay, now I think this is sufficient for us. Then right click and just simply mode and then click on edit. After this you can just adjust these vertex or edges like this. Now after this just I am going to adjust some edges here. So first simply just select this one, right click and just simply click on edges selection, then select this one. Now so now here you can see, then simply so here you can see this is a camera lock. Now just simply click here. Now you can see this is our perspective view here, mean just a 3D view. So now press F here. Now just a little bit extend like this. Okay, so easily you can see. Again if you will lock camera you can see from here easily. Okay, so just the red axis you have to adjust. Now same select this one, just a little bit adjust it here like this. Same select this one and just adjust, I think here till here. After just a little bit we have to adjust this edge inside this, then select this one, then again just come in here, then again in perspective, then just a little bit adjust it here. Okay, like this, this is sufficient I think. Now just click. So according to just your photo you have to adjust. Now just a little bit you have to adjust your perspective. Now just after this I am going to create this one. Okay, then right click, then simply click on extrude. Now you can just extrude like this. So this is totally depends on your footages. Now again same, after this just I am going to create this one here. So again right click and just simply click on extrude again, then again just simply click here. Now you can adjust from here in perspective view. So again press F, so easily you can see just select and just move like this. Now again just lock camera here. Now easily from here you can see. Okay, so now here just we have to manage here like this. So according to your footage just you have to manage. I think select this one, little bit just adjust like this. Okay, just you have to adjust according to your perspective and according to your footages. I think this is sufficient for us. Now after this just we have to little bit extrude all these edges here, then select, then right click, maybe click on extrude, even you can adjust same edges here. So just here I am going to use extrude like this. Now here just I am going to ignore this sky because just I am going to convert this scene in night, and if any needed then we will place another sky instead of this sky, or you can even place same sky. Then select right click, click on again extrude. Now you can adjust like this. Again same right click. If you want you can direct extend these edges here, okay, like this. Now finally just I am going to create this one here. Then again select this one, right click, again click on extrude, then like this, okay. So easily you can see. Now after just we have to adjust vertex here, then right click, again select, click on vertex selection, then select and just simply move, okay. Now finally just I am going to extend this one here, then select, right click, then click on extrude here, or you can just extrude like this, okay. Okay, so just here I have completed our basic 3D setup. Now after this just simply come in model builder here. So from here just we have to bake our geometry, okay. Then simply click here, baked. Now you can see this one, just I have baked our geometry here. So select this one and press 1. So easily you can see from here. Even if you want you can just see in 3D, just simply you can see easily in from here easily, okay. So just I have created this one here, okay. Now just I am going to use projection here, and we will project this image onto our this model here. So then same, press tab, projection, project 3D, then camera, same camera just I have to use here, camera, then this image I have to project, then select this one and finally onto this card, then select. Now here you can see like this. Now easily you can see. So just we have created simple projection here, so easily you can see, okay. So this is looking good. Now finally little bit these sky, because here no need any sky because I am going to convert this shot in night. So if you need further then you can project this sky onto our 3D scene setup, but here just I am going to ignore this one. So just I have removed sky here. Now even you can see here, just I have connected here and select this one. Now press 1. So here this one. So now I am going to project this image here, then unplug from here original image, just connect it here. Now again select this one and press 1. Now easily you can see from here like this, okay. Now just take a scene node, then attach all these things here, simply just connect. Now select and press 1. So easily you can see. So this is our 3D setup with the help of projections, okay. So just till here save our project, then simply click on file, just simply click on save con. Now just adjust a little bit this flow here. Now just take a little bit of scaline render, then scaline renderer here, just attach here. Background edge take a constant, same edge footage size, so this one, or just adjust as a background here, okay. Now temporarily just I am going to attach this camera here. So later we will copy this camera and just we will animate this camera. Now just little bit connect it here, scene. So this is our scene. So now easily you can see. So this is the main setup here. Now after this just I am going to use some lights and we will create some lights for this scene. So just simply tab point light, then select and just attach in our scene, just double click here. Now easily you can see. So this is our light here. So just in origin, now just we have to adjust here. Now again press tab here. So now you can see this is our just 2D view, final output. Now you can adjust your light position, all these things. So easily you can see, again press tab. So now you can switch like this. So by default if you will see here, so these are our default light. Now a little bit just I am going to adjust some color, all these things, then just simply click here. Now you can adjust, take a color like this. Now here, now just click here and just linear or quadratic. Now just simply click on linear. Now usually you can see Again, just simply click on quadratic. Now after this, just we have to adjust light here. I think this is looking good. Now just adjust from here. So multiple lights just we have to create here. Now adjust some intensity here. Now again press tab here. Again press tab button here. Now just we have to create a duplicate. After this, just we have to adjust all these lights here. Then Control C, Control V. Even you can create a new light. Then double click here. Now just you can move right side. Now again press tab button here, so easily you can see. Again same, just I'm copying all these lights here. I think these are the basic setup of our lights here. Remaining thing we can adjust later. So now little bit just till here, save as our scene. Save it, just give a name _01, even 02. Now after this, just little bit I'm going to adjust it here. So select this one and just tab and just glow little bit. Then G, grade node, and just a little bit gain all these things. Okay, then again glow here. So all these things just we have to adjust it here. Then again color correct here. So any color you can take. Now just double click here. Now you can adjust gamma, all these things. Maybe color also, if you want, you can just adjust from here. I think this is looking good. So these lights just you have to place according to your footage. Okay, so if this is looking too hard here, so then again you have to select your light and just you have to adjust intensity, all these things. So this is totally depends on you how you are adjusting your lights, all these things. Now suppose after this if you want to place any sky here, so you can place. So just I have imported here. Okay, now just take another card here, attach here, just and insert in same scene here. Now select this one and press 1, so F, so easily you can see this is our card. Now just a little bit scale. Now select this scale render and press 1 here. Now just we have to adjust this card just at last here. Okay, just double click here. I think here this is looking good. Now just cancel it. Now you can see. Okay, so this is our sky. So any sky just you can place it here. Remaining thing you can adjust. Okay, so this totally depends on you. Just double click here, there little bit, just adjust some depth here. So this is sufficient. So till here just save our project. So now after this, just I am going to create some fog for our scene. So I think this light is too hard R. So just select this one, double click here and just adjust this one here little bit. I think like this, maybe linear. I think this is looking good. Okay, so this is totally depends on you how you are adjusting all these things. Okay, now just after this I'm going to create some fog here. Tab fog, P fog here, easily you can see. Okay, now select this one here, attach in our scene here. Now press tab. Now you can see this is our fog box here. So just I have to adjust this one according to this setup. Then just simply double click here, just adjust all these values, maybe 10, maybe 2 by 2. Now just select this one and attach a transform geo node, because we have to just move then double click and just little bit adjust. Okay, so this is totally depends on you, just a little bit. Then double click here, transform geo and just adjust. Now press tab, just check here. I think this is looking good. Little bit box size. Maybe some values here. Two by two is sufficient. So just you have to do some practical here. I think this is sufficient for us. Okay, so now again just clear save as our project. Now finally just we have to adjust little bit here, select this one and press 1 here. So final character just we have to view here. Now you can see here, I think this is totally looking good. Then finally, suppose if you want to adjust anything, then tab, maybe a little bit glow. So I think this is looking good here. So easily you can see. So remaining these lights you have to just place according to your reference. Okay, so just here only for explanation just I have placed here. So even if you want you can just create a just lamp light here or just a street light here. Okay, so just this is sufficient for us. Just save our project. Now after this just little bit, if you want to animate your camera, then if you want you can animate. So here just little bit I am going to animate here. So what we have to do, then same camera just we have to copy here, then select Ctrl C and just simply paste it here, Ctrl V. Now just little bit keep it here like this and just keep it here. So just I am going to unplug from here and just I am going to attach here. So just first just little bit rename here, double click here, then just give a name projection camera. Now just we have to unplug from here and just attach here. Okay, so same result. Now we can animate this camera. Okay, so just simply just click here, so anywhere, then come in camera parameter, just animate translate here, right click set key, maybe last, then little bit G value. Now just save our project here, click on save, just click on proxy here. Now first stop here. For little bit just check our camera animation. So just I am going to unplug this one because this is too heavy. Then just simply unplug this one. Okay, now just play and check first our camera animation and just play and check. Stop, just check. I think it's too slow, so just I am going to adjust here. Just double click here, then go to last keyframe here and just make it -1. Now just again play and check. I think this is looking good. Okay, so now after this just I am going to insert our fog here, all these things. Okay, so just before this just a little bit adjust some color, all these things. Now here just again I am going to plug some smoke, this one. Now again just I am going to plug this one here, just select and just plug it here in our original scene. Now here you can see this is our fog, I think in this frame. So just we have to check. I think here fog is not visible, so just we have to adjust our this fog box, all these things. Okay, so here again same, just click full mode here, no fog, so then again tab, press tab and just adjust our fog box here. So just double click here. Okay, then just double click and just adjust, then double click here and some increase some values, maybe 5, amount 150. Now again press tab here. I think some fog is visible here, so just totally you have to adjust all these values. Okay, now just Control S, so remaining thing just you have to adjust according to yourself. Okay, so now just a little bit I am going to adjust some our workflow here. So now easily you can see, just simply click your workspace, just now from here you can see. Okay, and just press H here. Now just double click here and just adjust some gain value, all these things. I think this is looking good. So this is our final flow. So here just I have completed our scene. Remaining thing you have to adjust according to your footage and all these things. So if you like this video, please watch, share and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.